task. We can create different tasks. Maybe we want to send a proposal, or we want to send a contract. You want to send whatever it is you want to send. You just need to name your task. So we can say the name of the task is create contact. So the name of the task is create contract, and the due date is the date that we must finish this task. So we can say the due date should be on Monday. We can add in as a repeat, and we can add in a reminder. The reminder can be due date, or we can say maybe a day before the due date, or whatever you want to use. So we can add this particular task for a pipeline, that means the deal, or we can add it for a contact, or we can add it for complaints. So let's say we want to add it for contact. We can type in the name of the contact we want to use, and we just bring in my name, and we can add in a description. We can also decide to mark as high priority, and when you click on save, that is going to create this task, and it's going to be added as a task. So when I go into my calendar, I will also be able to see the task I have created. As you can see, we have this task created, create contract, and it is due in December 16th. I hope now you understand how to use this particular part of your Zoho Bigin account, or you understand this particular feature. If you would like to book a free discovery call with us to tell us the challenges, or to tell us what you are currently having issues with in your Zoho Bigin account, you can click on the link below and book your discovery call. And also do not forget to like this video, and also share this video to everyone who might need this video. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be posting more educational content like this, and we do not want you to miss it. Thank you so much, guys, as you do that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.